Okay, I think my product that I've been waiting for has arrived. All right, so some of you may be asking, Nick, why are you so excited about this package? Let me explain this to you. As you've seen in all of my videos, every time I make decals, I have to use transfer tape to put over them after I deweed them, right? Well, I didn't realize you could buy a tool that rolls the vinyl or the transfer tape out so I don't have to hold it in. You've seen the videos of me just bringing the transfer tape out and it's a pain in the butt. This will do this so much easier, apparently, for me. So let's go unbox this thing. Oh, that's very nice of them. They gave me some transfer tape with it. Alright, all that box for this little thing. Well, it's not so little. I don't know how this is gonna fit on my desk, to be honest with you. We will figure that out shortly. That's it. Alright, everyone, I need your help. So I'm gonna start needing this whole table space for my new transfer tape roller and then other things. I just want to make this more organized. I am not an organized person. Oh, as you can tell, this is what I need help with. And so if you guys can comment down below and let me know what I should do. I have a whole bunch of these stickers and I have them in bags and I have them in saran wrap and it's just unprofessional. I know that, but I don't know another option and they're all in this one box. How would you organize your stickers? Would you put them in slots? Like, do I make it like a case where I put them all in? What would be more efficient? What do you think I should do? Because there's like bigger ones too, and they're all just wrapped up in saran wrap, and it's just annoying and I have to go back and forth. It needs to be efficient. It needs to be near me when I'm packing orders. So let me know what you think. I have like 30, 40 SKUs, so I can't have some, if I had like a shelf, it'd be massive. So I need something that's like very like organizable and very compact. So let me know in the comments below. It'd really, really help me out. Thank you. All right, so I'm starting an FBA shipment here. So these are my toilet nice rooster decals. I'm absolutely loving this transfer tape applicator, or whatever you call this thing. I don't know, but it's so much more efficient. I can do larger sheets. Like, I don't know why I didn't buy this sooner. Guys, if there's something that you could purchase that might be a little pricey, but it's like something you don't think you might need, but it could make your life more efficient, do it. Try it, see if it works. All right, got these stickers out, got these packages ready to go and sending out to customers. But yeah, that was pretty much my day. Orders are done, we are done, I am done. It's just a chill day. So let's go over yesterday's revenue and see how much money we made. All right, so starting off with eBay, we actually had a pretty high day of $100. I sold a big decal. We made $644.85, which was also not a bad day on Amazon yesterday. So a total of $745. We need to be at $1,000 a day to be a 30K a month, but that's all good. We're at 8,322. So, you know, let's just keep going and try to hit the $1,000 days. Let's keep adding more products. So today, I'm not going to be able to get out that FBA shipment, I don't think, but we'll be getting it out tomorrow for sure. So just keep going like nothing's happened, nothing bad's happened. We're just going to keep going. That's the best way to look at all of this. So hopefully we can hit 30K by the end of the month. But if you guys enjoyed these videos and you're not subscribed, subscribe down below. I make a video every single day like this until we hit $30,000 a month. So also, if you enjoyed the video and you decided that you don't want to subscribe, but you enjoyed the video or you are a subscriber, please give it a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm find more people that are into entrepreneurship like us. So I hope to see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your Thursday. I will see you all Friday tomorrow. Peace out.